The first step to exploring data in SAP Lumira is to create a document and acquire a data set based on some or all of the values in a data source. In this example, we'll acquire a data set based on a local Microsoft Excel file that contains health data for a healthcare organization. By selecting File, then New, the Add New Data Set box appears. Note that there are a large number of standard data access types that we can use to acquire data depending on which edition, Personal or Standard, is installed. I'll then select Microsoft Excel, Next, and the Open dialog automatically opens. Here we can navigate to and select the Microsoft Excel file that contains the data we want to explore. I'll select Open, and a preview of the file displays. A number of options are available, including the ability to acquire additional files at the same time, select from or append multiple sheets, if applicable. You can also indicate whether the first row contains column names, and specifically whether the table being acquired is a standard table or a crosstab. There are also advanced options for the data set that allow us to choose a subset of rows or columns of data, include or exclude hidden columns or rows, and detect merged cells. In this example, we'll use the default options. We can also exclude columns from being acquired by clearing the checkboxes on the column header. In this example, we'll exclude the geographic profile column. Once we've set up the options the way we want, we can acquire the data set. I'll select Create. SAP Lumira then creates the data set and opens it automatically. Before exploring the data any further, we should save the data set as a local document. I'll select File, Save As, and by default, the document is saved in the SAP Lumira document subfolder within the Documents folder for the user profile. We can also save the document to other platforms if desired. Now we'll close the document so we can see the objects that have been created in our document. Here we can see the count of items in the My Items list has changed to reflect that we have created one document and one new data set, plus one additional defined connection. You can see my Lumira sample document is now saved.